Hey, I'm Katie Kwan from Taste of Asian Food. Today's recipe is sauteed mushroom with garlic and butter. It's something that is quite common, but today I want to make it a little bit different by adding some Asian flavor, by adding some mirin, that is a Japanese sweet wine, some light soy sauce, and some green onions. I have about 1 pound or roughly 450 grams of white mushroom. Some are small, but some are much bigger. I'll cut the bigger one into half or even quarter. Heat some olive oil in a pan to medium or slightly medium high. When it's heated, add the mushroom, saute the mushroom. My pan is not that big, so I intend to saute it in 2 batches. And let the oil to coat every piece of the mushroom. And keep moving the mushroom so that the mushroom will not get burned at the bottom. Season it with salt and some black pepper. And you notice that now it's still quite wet because the water, the moisture from the mushroom actually start coming out. So keep sauteing for a while until it is nearly dry. Now the water has evaporated and the color has changed. So let's remove it from the pan and let's do the second batch. Okay, it's quite done, so I'm going to remove it and then proceed to saute the garlic and onion. So you may wonder why I do not want to saute the onion and garlic together with the mushroom. It is because mushroom will release a lot of water into the pan, and by doing so I will not able to saute the onions and the garlic properly. There's a reason I do it separately, and then after that I'll combine both together. Now let's add the mushroom back to the pan. Combine with the garlic and onion. At the same time, season it with some light soy sauce and the sweet Japanese wine mirin. To improve the flavor further, add some butter. It's nearly done now, but I want to improve the color further by adding some red color bell pepper, some green pepper, and also some purplish color, that is the onion, that makes it much more colorful. Continue to stir fry for a little while until the vegetable is no longer taste raw and it is done. And you can also add a little bit of green onions onto it before you remove it from the pan. You can serve this as a side dish or make a little bit more as the main dish. Sauteed mushroom with garlic and butter with some Asian flavor infused, and I hope you will love it. And it is a great dish as a side dish, but if you want to turn it into the main dish, why not? Just make a little bit more. And I've included the recipe in the description below the videos, and also we include it at the end of these videos for your reference. Please subscribe, tap the notification, give me a thumbs up, try it, let me know the result in your comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.